So guys, ipapagawa na natin. Hi kuya! Gawin mo na sa kwarto. Ipapagawa na natin yung glass window natin sa kwarto. Sabi ni Ate Ana. Asa si kuya? So sabi mo dumaan si Mia. Tawag na lang ako. Oo. Thank you. Okay. So bye guys. Thank you Auntie Ana at nakabili ako ng mga grocery and supply. I'll see you later. Of course, bumili din tayo ng extra na varnish. Varnish. Ano gagawin tayo guys? Varnish. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. So, Auntie Ana, nabili ako ng mga, you told me to buy bananas, and ito lang po, isang gulay. I'll put that there later. And then, see, I have fish. I have the bangus auntie. So, di ba? Oh, by the way, auntie, this is John. Say hi, John.
Kids need help to catch up on iPro. Give them the newest and the kit from
Bukas na yan. Uy, later na yan. So, there you go, guys. Yan ang pinamalengke natin. And we have here. So, you go fix that there. You put that dito. You go. Diba?